ProArc is a leading Indian manufacturer of CNC profile cutting machines. Presenting the Inferno Enduro, a machine built for precision, productivity, and more value in every cut. Compact and efficient, the Enduro is tailored for today's fabricators. Its optimally designed gantry is robust yet dynamically balanced, ensuring quick response during high acceleration and deceleration thanks to its low inertia build. Combined with a heavy-duty rack and pinion drive and cam follower guiding system, it delivers stable and precise linear motion. The sideways carriage glides on roller guides, while a ball screw-driven Z-axis with auto height control ensures torque accuracy through every cut. Designed for smooth motion dynamics, the Enduro is a dependable choice for entry to mid-level plasma cutting. Handling up to 50 mm mild steel and 40 mm stainless steel, it also supports oxyfuel cutting up to 100 mm with dual torch capability. The operator-friendly HMI with keypad controls ensures ease of use and quick adaptability. And with every operation, the Enduro delivers clean edges, consistent cut geometry, and high-quality performance. Choose the Inferno Enduro, engineered for results, backed by ProArc's promise to keep your business non-stop.